So I have started with this number, and we were somewhere, I think, in the middle of the story, the whole story about 1729. I told you it is called Ramanujan-Hardy number. But Hardy हम यहाँ से हटा देते हैं. This is simply Ramanujan's number. Okay, leave the stories of pre-board aside. Okay, अभी pre-board की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Let's start the lecture. Okay. So 1729 is called Ramanujan's number. Why? Yesterday also I have received some messages on WhatsApp, and like Vedant was saying, why 35 is not Ramanujan's number? 35 is also 3 cube plus 2 cube, 27 plus 8. So I think you could not understand that 1729 is special because this number can be expressed as a sum of cubes of two natural numbers. Look, 10 cube plus 9 cube. Now that is well understood, right? 10 cube is 1000, 9 cube is 729, and sum is 1729. This is not special, alright? This is not special. Because if you take any two cubes, cubes of natural numbers, you will have their sum another natural number. 35 is another number, which is 2 cube plus 3 cube. But what makes this number special is that we can do the same thing. We can express the number as a sum of two different cubes in two different ways. So this is the first way. This is the first method. And then there is a second method to do the same, and that is 12 cubed plus 1 cube, and that is our second method. If you want to calculate, you can. 12 cube is 1728, 1 cube is 1. So 1728 plus 1 is also 1729. Now this is amazing. And amazing ये है, तुम्हें लगा ये लगा, मुझे नहीं पता. But the best part was that Ramanujan was able to calculate all this in like 120 seconds, in 2 minutes time. And then Ramanujan concluded that this is the smallest such number. Smallest number. Trust me, for any modern day mathematician, I won't believe that it is possible for him to calculate all this in 2 minutes time. It is not very difficult. Obviously, computers can do that. Maybe in seconds. But for humans, it's really difficult. And do not include negative numbers. You can say 1 cube minus 1 cube is 0, 2 cube minus 2 cube is 0. So I am talking about only natural numbers. This is the smallest such number. And that's what the special thing about for this number. So 1729 is the smallest such number, which can be expressed as the sum of cubes of two different natural numbers in two different ways. Can you tell me another such number? Definitely, you cannot contradict Ramanujan, the great Ramanujan. How was he sure? Because Sadhguru, I think he had a derivation in his mind. When Ramanujan concludes something in his era, I think he must have a logical explanation for everything. So I don't think Hardy thought or Hardy was required to ask him a derivation for that. But there is a derivation, yes. We can derive, we can actually conclude it mathematically. But my question is different, because I am saying this is the smallest such number. So can you give me another number having the same property? And do not Google, okay? Google करने वालों को बराबर सजा मिलेगी. तो Google नहीं करना है, ठीक है? तुम्हें सोचना है, क्योंकि जैसे जो नेक्स्ट नंबर बताएगा, फिर आज से वो उसका कांस्टेंट, उसका नाम लग जाएगा. मैं विकीपीडिया पे जाके उसको चेंज कर दूंगा, ठीक है? तो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर सतगुण मुझे नंबर बताएगा, तो इट इज सतगुण's नंबर. सतगुण और एनीवन, can you give me another such number which holds such property. 1729 Prasoon. Very smart. Prasoon is actually smart. So this is Prasoon's number way. Prasoon, can you tell us why 1729000 will have the same property? And everybody look what Prasoon did. Samyukt. Now you are appending 6 zeros after 1729. Why not? Why not? You can do that. 1729 and you are appending 3 zeros, multiplying it by 1000. And why is he doing that? Because if you look at this number, is it the sum of... अच्छा ठीक है भाई. अब तुम्हें मैं क्या बोलूँ, तुम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो, जितने जीरो बढ़ाओगे उतने ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है. बढ़िया. सद्गुण क्या कर रहा है? 100 plus 9. Is it 100 plus 9? Are you sure? Is it 100 cube plus 9 cube? Are you sure? No, it is 100 cube plus 90 cube. Yes. And the second method will be 120 cubed plus 10 cube. So basically, we have multiplied this number by 10 cube. है कि नहीं? अगर तुम इसको 10 cube से multiply कर दोगे, you have to multiply this by 10 cube. You have to multiply this by 10 cube. And you know what happens when 10 cube multiplies to 10 cube? What will happen? It will become 100 cube. 9 cube into 10 cube will become 90 cube. That's what they did. Very nice. Prasoon. So, what is this? 17 lakhs 29,000. This is Prasoon's constant. ठीक है? आज से जो है Prasoon का constant है. अब देखते हैं next time कोई number कब मिलता है. Alright. So this was today's interesting fact. And अगर तुम्हें कुछ और ज़्यादा information चाहिए तो go through now you can Google this number. I believe सबने last lecture में किया होगा. तो जरा देखना 1729 के बारे में और भी क्या स्पेशल चीज़ें हैं. और इट इज़ नॉट ओनली 10 क्यूब. नाउ आई थिंक सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा 10 क्यूब से मल्टीप्लाई करना जरूरी नहीं है. आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई एनी होल क्यूब, लाइक आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई 2 क्यूब, आई कैन मल्टीप्लाई 3 क्यूब. हाउ मेनी सच नंबर्स आर पॉसिबल? Infinite such numbers are possible. But again, this number is special because in those infinite numbers 1729 is the smallest such number. Alright? Chalo. So